Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI-powered drones. We're talking cutting-edge technology that's transforming industries as we speak. If you're as fascinated by the potential of AI and drones as I am, then hit that like button and subscribe because you don't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with Deep Inspection, a South Korean company that's developed a game-changing AI-driven aircraft inspection system. Forget time-consuming manual inspections. These guys are using drones equipped with advanced imaging and AI to detect damage on aircrafts with incredible speed and accuracy. Think about it. Faster inspections mean less downtime for aircraft, reduced maintenance costs, and most importantly, enhanced safety for everyone. And just how much faster are we talking? Well, imagine this. A traditional aircraft inspection can take a team of technicians hours, even days. Deep Inspection's AI-powered system can cut that time down significantly by automating the detection and analysis of potential issues. The system can even generate detailed reports, making it easier for maintenance crews to identify and address problems before they become major headaches. Next up, let's talk deliveries. We've all heard about Amazon Prime Air, right? Well, it's not just Amazon anymore. Companies like Walmart are jumping on the drone delivery bandwagon, too. And for good reason. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it delivered right to your doorstep by a drone in minutes. That's the future that AI is helping to create: faster, more efficient, and let's face it, way cooler delivery services. But it's not just about speed and convenience. Think about the environmental benefits as well. Drone deliveries can help reduce traffic congestion and emissions, making our cities greener and more sustainable. Plus, they can access areas that are difficult to reach by traditional delivery methods, making them ideal for things like emergency medical supplies or delivering goods to remote locations. Now, let's shift gears and talk about something a bit more exhilarating: drone racing. And I'm not talking about your average backyard drone race. I'm talking about the Drone Racing League, where professional pilots compete in high-speed, adrenaline-pumping races using custom-built drones that can reach speeds of over 100 miles per hour. And guess what? AI is playing a key role in this exciting sport as well. From optimizing flight paths to providing pilots with real-time data analysis, AI is helping to push the limits of drone racing. And it's not just about competition either. The technology being developed for drone racing, like advanced computer vision and autonomous flight control, has the potential to revolutionize everything from aerial photography to search and rescue operations. But hold on, we're just scratching the surface. The future of AI drones is limitless. Think about it. AI-powered drones could be used for everything from precision agriculture, like monitoring crops and optimizing irrigation, to conducting aerial surveillance and assisting with search and rescue missions in disaster-stricken areas. The possibilities are truly mind-blowing. So there you have it, folks, the incredible world of AI-powered drones. From revolutionizing industries to pushing the limits of what's possible, AI is transforming drones from simple flying machines into intelligent, autonomous systems that are changing the world as we know it. Now, before we wrap up, I wanted to take a moment to talk about something that's really important to me: this community. I've been working hard to create content that's informative, engaging, and most importantly, valuable to you. I'm always looking for ways to improve and provide even more of the content you want to see. That's why I would love to hear from you. What topics are you most interested in? What questions do you have about AI and drones? Leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below, and let's continue this conversation. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome AI content, and share this video with anyone you think might be interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.